Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to play YouTube in background on Android. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to play YouTube in background, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your Chrome. In Chrome, just go for three dots and then you just have to enable the desktop side. But first you have to play YouTube, and when it's played you just have to tap on three dots and then select desktop side, and after that just play any video which you want to play. As you can see, I have played. Now close the Chrome, but the video will be playing in background, and that's how you can easily play YouTube in background on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.